And we start with progressive chasse to right. First we will do exercise without turn. Man starts with left foot forward, then with right foot, side close side on toes. Let's look again. This time focus on lady steps. Lady starts with right foot, back, and then with left foot, side close side on toes. And now let's do with teaching count and 1, 2 and 3, which means whole beat, half beat, and whole beat. Again, and 1, 2 and 3. And now let's do turn. We will start facing diagonally to center. Move facing diagonally to center, then turn, side close side, and again slight turn. So next step will be backing diagonally to center. Let's do again. Lady starts with right foot. She goes back, then turns, side close side, small turn, and next step outside partner facing diagonally to center. And now let's look another direction and another amount of turn. Man will start facing line of dance, forward, side, close, side, and finish backing diagonally to wall. So next step will be backing diagonally to wall. Let's look again at this version. Lady will start with right foot, back, side close side, and she turns facing diagonally to wall and takes next step outside partner. Now routine, hesitation change, progressive chasse to right, and then outside change. Man starts with right foot forward, left foot to side, close right foot to left foot, lower, then back to side and close without weight. Now with left foot forward, side close side, next step back in CBMP, back on toe and to side and slightly forward. Lady steps. Lady starts with right foot back to side close, then forward to side and close without weight, then back, side close side, next step forward outside partner, forward on toe and to side and slightly back. Now routine in slow motion, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's look again, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3. And now with the music. Let's do another routine. Steps 1 to 3 of natural turn, open impetus, wing, then progressive chasse to right, back lock, and steps 4 to 6 of natural spin turn. Lady steps. Lady starts with left foot back to side close, then forward to side around man, brush, and diagonally forward in promenade position. Now we will dance wing. Lady will go around man 3 steps and finish at his left side. So forward, forward, forward on man's left side. Now we will move to the line of dance. Lady will move back, side, close, side. Next step, lady will take outside partner and diagonally to wall, forward, forward, cross behind, forward and slightly to side. And now lady will move again diagonally to wall, but this time between man's feet, forward, diagonally back, brush, and diagonally forward. Man steps, man starts with right foot, forward to side, close, then he lowers, goes back, then closes feet in heel turn, goes to toes, and diagonally forward in promenade position. Now lady will go around man with 3 steps, but man will do just 1 step. So he does forward in promenade and closes without weight. So next step we will move to the line of dance, forward outside partner on left side, side close side. Next step lady will do outside partner, man will go back in CBMP, then back, cross in front, back and slightly to side, and we will finish with natural spin turn, moving diagonally to wall. Lady will step between feet, man go back, pivot, forward and to side and slightly back. Let's look again from opposite direction. We do natural turn, 1, 2, 3. Now we will do open impetus, man will have close in heel turn, and we finish in promenade position. Now we will do wing, man do 1 step, lady will do 3 steps. Next step is outside partner, side close side. Now we will do back lock, 1, 2 and 3, and we will finish with natural spin turn ending. Lady steps between man's feet, 1, 2, 3. And now let's look at routine in slow motion. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's dance to music. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.